we go here. That's it right there, man. Yeah, these guys. Oh, yeah. Look at these guys. Well, this guy is hot tonight. Damn it. All right. Well, we'll just walk around fucking OMAC. How's that? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's an OMAC cop sitting right over there, right across the bridge over there. Yeah. Yeah. Out cop watching.
Yeah, bro.
I know you.
Yeah, nice, bro.
Yeah.
Right on. I like that.
You like that? Well, you know, there's cop watching and hold them accountable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. First Amendment activity.
On the backside here, you go to the backside alley.
Yeah.
They'll come in, they'll turn their lights off, and then park.
Yep. I just walked. I just did the circle. Yeah. Well, you should have seen what I seen earlier when I was up at the truck stop. The county come flying across there when the light was green, but the left turn lane was red. He flew right through that going to Tonasket. And I was like, man, there ain't no way I can, from where I was at and the way he was going, there's no way I'd keep up with him. You know what I'm saying? It's just not going to happen.
No, bro.
But
you put a badge on yourself because you put a big target on your back. You start doing that, people aren't gonna like it. Fuck yeah.
Well, I don't give a fuck what they think.
Exactly, bro.
You know, this
More
is
power,
just,
bro.
you know,
To the people.
Yeah, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. You know, if we don't exercise our rights, we lose them.
Like you said too, hold them accountable.
Oh, absolutely.
They're the ones that perpetrate the law. Well, don't take me.
No, that's all right, brother. It's all good, man.
You're good.
But
that's cool. I'll put my little 2 cents in there. But they're
Yeah.
the ones that dictate the law and fucking follow through with it. You're the ones that dictate.
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. You know, over there when I first started doing this, one of the first ones I did was on the res, and those guys are tyrants over there.
Then bro, I got a bro, okay? I got a bro who's home.
Hi Tiff.
So
Lucky laptop. Glad you make it.
So there's some cats that the homeless they allow, then they kick them out at will. There's a lot of stuff that goes on there, bro. You dig into that, wow, you got a story.
On the other side? Yeah.
Sometimes
All right.
it's on this side.
Oh
bro.
yeah, I know it's on this side too. Yeah, for sure. Well, you stay out of trouble, brother. It's good seeing you again.
What's up, bro?
All right. Well, we got sitting right there is we got a city cop. Oh, he must be looking for someone underneath the bridge. We'll mosey on over there, see what's happening. Hey, we got some activity, guys. There's 2 cars. They're looking for somebody. This is City, OMAC City PD. Yep. There you go. I'm not sure what's going on, but usually the homeless people sleep underneath the bridge here. Gotcha. I hear you. 1, 2, 3 officers.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good. What are you filming us for?
Ah, because I can. Can I have your name, badge number, please?
Sure.
All right.
Schaefer.
Schaefer 420. Glad to meet you. What was that?
412.
Oh, 412. Sorry.
That's all right.
Ha 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 ha.
Just make sure you get it correct.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, have a good night.
You too. Be safe. Ah. Oh, so we have a Pacific Security in town. I didn't know that. 155. Wow. That's new for me. Wonder where they come from. Wow. Wonder what's up with that. And this guy over here across the street, he was the one of the very first one of the OMAC PDs that came up and talked to me on one of my videos on one of the wrecks last year. Security Pacific. I'm gonna have to look into that one. I didn't even know we had that here. And I've lived here for 23 years. Go across the bridge that way. As soon as you cross the bridge, you're on the reservation. You okay, brother?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure you're safe, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know, just want to make sure. And here's a rookie with this guy. So yeah, this guy's on fire tonight. He's pulling everybody over. All right, man, you be safe. All right, you betcha. And he's heading now. I know exactly where he's going. I'll find him again. Oh, that blew me away with that security guard, though. I did not know we had that in this town. All right. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm just walking around filming cops. How are you doing, bro? You all right? You all right, man? You be careful, huh? It's been a long time since I've seen you. You doing good? Oh no, I'm good. No, I'm out cop watching, so no. Yeah, no, I can wait till I get home, brother. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, you be careful, huh?
I'm going back there.
You're going back in there? Oh, all right. Well, when you
I'm gonna go pretend I'm sober.
pretend you're sober, okay, that's always fun.
It's not working.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, you stay out of trouble, all right, man?
Yeah.
All right.
I just put my hair to go out. Smoke.
Right on. Right on. Yeah, you bet. Yeah, that's another one. Another old boy that used to work at the mill. We'll take a cruise up through where that stator went, and we'll drop down onto the reservation. See what's happening over there. Yep, okay, there we go. Okay, I see what's going on there. All right, I'm gonna go around the block here. I'll show you what I seen. I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but this is new for me here. I've been lived in this town for 23 years, and I've never seen this before. So it's drawn my attention to it. I'm not sure what to make of it. Okay. Where is he at? Oh, the little fucker. Little sneaky little bastards. You son of a bitch. He was sitting right here, fucking that security car that we were looking at by the bridge. He was parked right here, right by the stop sign. Motherfucker. Oh well. Oh, they're on this side of the street. They're all huddled up. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up here to this minute mark. I'm going to go in there and go buy some water for those guys back there. They're all huddled up there. All right, I'm going to run in here, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to run here and get some water for those homeless people there that we drove by. Usually they're by that other gas station that we pulled in along the alley there by that concrete, but I seen that they're across the street huddled underneath that thing, so I'm going to get them some I'm going to get some water real quick. I'll be right back. This old boy working in here he's saying his dad goes cop watching, but he doesn't record. So I was like, oh, really? I didn't know that. Interesting shit. Anyway, let's go give these guys some water. We'll take the small one instead of the big one. All right, there we go. All right. All right. How's it going? You guys like? He ain't gonna bite me, is he? Don't let him bite me. Hey, I got some water. Would you like some water?
Yeah, please.
All right. I don't want him biting me.
Come over here, you go.
All right. All right. Cool.
There, no, it's okay. He's nice.
You want water?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Want water? You should.
There, stop.
Here, knock it off.
There you go.
Lay down. Knock it off, Bear.
You want water? Okay.
Boss, knock it off.
Did you want one, bro?
You just sit down right there.
I'll just set it right here for you.
Boss, knock it
I'll put it right there.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You guys be safe. Oh, you're welcome.
Knock it off.
Cigarettes?
What's that? Yeah, I got one. I'll give it one.
Over.
Carrie.
One.
This is
Non-mental? Yeah.
Yeah, non-mentals.
And this is
Non-like.
Paul.
What do you call them?
Paul?
Yeah.
Right on. Glad to meet you, Paul. Huh?
Thank you, I appreciate you. God bless
One
you.
one's mine, Sherry.
Huh?
Yeah, one thing. All right, cool. I just want to give you guys some water and everything. All right, man.
Thank you. Nice guy. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
I'm Hammer Time Media.
Hamilton Media. Thank
Yep.
you.
Yep. Nah, no, I just bought water, bro. No, I don't. So, all right.
Thank you.
You bet.
God bless you.
God bless you guys. There you go. Boy, I bet that old dog would have bit me, huh? Come up here and I'll turn around. There's a turnout up here. Oh, there it is. Right there. Here we go. Let's see if I can get damn trees out of the way. That is OMAC. Pretty cool. When I'm out on my Harley, this is one of the places I like to stop when I'm out on my Harley. I'll pull over and have a cigarette and take in the view. Pretty cool. Yeah, ain't it? That is freaking awesome. One of the things I want to do is I want to get a good mount to put on my Harley so I can have my phone on there. And one of the things I want to try to do is I want to invest in 'cause I got quite a few motorcycle helmets. I want to get a full face one that has Bluetooth so I can Bluetooth my phone to it. And then that would be really cool. I can go live and be on my Harley and go do some cop watching and some audits. Because it sure saved me a lot more money in gas with my Harley than the vehicle. Although this vehicle gets good gas mileage a lot better than my truck, that's for sure. Yeah, you like that idea? I'm going to do that. I'm going to work on it. Here's something else I was thinking about doing too. Oh yeah, for sure, Karen. Yeah, I grew up on them. I've had tons of dirt bikes as a kid and grew up with dirt bikes, and I've been riding all my life. But yeah, I'm always careful when I'm out there. Anything can happen, especially here because there's a lot of deer. And I don't know how many times I've came very, very close. I made it through a pack of deer going across a highway without hitting one time. That's enough to scare you. But it's a very dangerous thing. And not only that, it's other people driving too. You got to watch out for. My husband was killed 5 years ago by hit and run, and he rode all his life too. Yeah, absolutely. Sorry about your loss, Karen. Yeah, it can happen. That is always in my mind all the time when I'm on my bike. And I've had many, many close calls, and I have no problem chasing people down and cuss them out for cutting me off or almost hitting me. And I have a whip on my bike to hit cars with if it's necessary. And that actually saved one guy's life over in Spokane. One of the brothers was telling me about it, and of course this is hearsay, but a car cut him off and he smacked the car with the whip. Well, the person called the cops, and when the cops showed up, the cops didn't do nothing about it, but lectured the person that was driving, because that whip actually saved his life. It got the attention of the driver. He was really lucky. But the guy didn't get cited for hitting a person's car, because that would have, if they would have hit him, man, that probably would have killed him. Yep. He was an excellent. And they never caught the person. Yeah, that's sad. I am so sorry to hear that. But yeah. Those thoughts are always in my head all the time. And then, I have, for an example, go out, like I'm planning to go riding the next day or something. And if I get up and ready to go riding, and if I just don't feel right by it, I don't go. And I don't get those feelings all the time, but I take heed to those feelings when I get those, because it just doesn't feel right. Doesn't sound right, and so I just don't go. But what the idea I was thinking about doing was doing some videos and audits off my Harley, and then on my cut, on the one side I'd have Hammer Time Media, and then on the other side I'd have First Amendment Audit. And then I'd throw another ribbon on there when I get ready to do a second amendment, exercise the Second Amendment. concealed or open carry when I ride. I always take my gun when I ride, and I do a Second Amendment. I'll throw a ribbon on that. I think that'd be a pretty cool idea. I haven't seen anyone do anything like that yet on YouTube that I know of. I know people. There's a guy I watch that does audits and stuff off his bike, but for what I'm thinking about, like on my cut, I'll just go have my logo made up and put it on the back of my cut. That's what I was thinking. I think it'd be pretty cool. It'd be kind of fun. Be interesting to see how that works out. Because I do love to ride. And my wife loves going out riding with me when she can. And she writes her best songs. She writes is when she's on the back of the Harley. Yeah, you like that, Tiff? I think I've been seriously thinking about that. I was talking to my wife about that, and I think I'm gonna do that. So as soon as our other place sells, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on that, and I already have a great idea how much it's gonna cost me, because the last patches that I had made up and stuff, I have a place up in Cooley Dam, which I want to go up there and go film up in Cooley Dam, because those guys up there are tyrants. Because before I started doing cop watching, a buddy rode up there to Cooley Dam, and the cop seen us, and he did through a U-turn, followed us, seen where we were going, and pulled up and come up wanting to know who we were and why we were in his town and shit like that. So I know that's a tyrant there, and I'm going to go back to that place, and because I know where to find him. And if I'm not mistaken, it's the same, I'm pretty sure that's the same town. If you guys remember the video that came out, what was it, a year ago, maybe 2 years ago? I'm trying to remember who highlighted the video, but it was about the cops that tried to go into the people's house. I haven't heard any follow up on that or anything, but I don't know if you guys remember that video or not. But I'm pretty sure that's that town. It was either Cooley City or right above there, above Cooley Dam there. So it's right in that area. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is, especially what the reaction I remember when I went up there to that place that I was going to have that stuff made up. So, but I'm trying to remember who highlighted that video. Oh God, my goodness! I just watched him the other night. Who the hell is the ex-cop, the ex-cop, the ex-sheriff, the ex-EMT, paramedic. People University. There you go. Am I saying that right? I think it was him that did that. I'm not for sure. I don't know. I don't remember. I have to go back and try to find that. But yeah. So I know that that's another good spot to hit for sure. But man, this is a cool view. Gotta look that guy up. Yeah. I think I'm pretty sure it was Cooley. I thought it was Cooley City. That video was, it was aired on, it was like a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, if I remember correctly. I mean, I I was going to say I could probably easily find it going back into my history on my YouTube, but that got deleted here a while back. My son deleted it, cleared it out because he was watching a lot of elk videos on my YouTube channel. Yes, absolutely. That's it. That's who I'm thinking that did that. Yeah, you're right, Karen. I believe you're right. We the People University. Yep. Oh, is that how you got introduced to this community? Yeah, you know how I got introduced to this community was through armed fishermen. I ran across them one time, and then pretty soon it led to the A1 to Fake Mike and Auditing America, and then I ran into the guys in Arizona, Direct D, and then people in Texas, Ninja, Toe for Life. Yeah, that's how that all began for me. Yeah. People's University, it was like one of the channels I first, what is that, how do you say that, not necessarily subscribed to, because I was already subscribed to them, but, shit, fuck. Become a member. There you go. Okay. Become a member. And I did that on his channel, but it was like $50 a month, and I couldn't afford that, so I had to let that go. And then I did someone else's, and then my wife freaking took it off her credit card because she didn't know who it was. So I was like, well, fuck that. Okay, start over, do it again. Yeah, it was $50 a month. I was like, whoa, that's before I really knew what was what in the zoo and what the hell was going on, It was pretty crazy. But yeah, shit, it's like after 12, my wife keeps blowing up my phone, so I guess I better head home. Let me see. What's this? Let me see. Oh, hang on. Hang on here. I'm texting her right now. I didn't know I could do this while I was live. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Yeah. Spelt it wrong. There we go. Let's see. There we go. I didn't know I could do that. So, I mean, I should have did that earlier. I didn't know I can text her while I'm live. That's cool. Oh, you bet. You bet, Tiff. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. It was awesome, and it's quite a learning experience for me. Interacting with everybody like this, but not, not used to talking to the phone without it talking back. So it's quite a cool experience. And not only that, it also, on the flip side of it, to be honest with y'all, it builds my confidence because, I'm telling you, I've never been live like this ever this long. I've been on panels, but never do my own live stream like this. Like I said, maybe I need to do this more often. This is really cool. I'm liking it. And I am a very self-conscious person, so, and a very bad, let's see if I can pronounce the word right, procrastinator. So I'm really bad at that. And and then while we're live right now, I'll just say this, man. I apologize for everybody for not being live and being out here more like I want to be. So I apologize to everybody for that. This is a huge boost for me. I appreciate y'all being here. This is really cool. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I just wish I could bring better content for you, but I'll work on it and do my best. Right on, Tip. Thank you, Karen. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, everybody. That was awesome. And I do hang out on Discord quite a bit too. So right on. Oh, I like it. So when I ain't cop watching, I'll go live. I'll go live when I'm not cop watching. This is so cool. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, everybody. I love it, man. It's a great boost. But I'm going to go ahead and end this. All right, everybody. You have a good night. Thank you. And we'll definitely be doing this again. For sure.